Guys, I think you people will very fine. Now in this video I am presenting a delicious fruit named golden apple. You can see golden apple, also known as Bael, Hindi language Bael fruits. And you can see this Bael tree in your front. This is a very big tree, and this tree is especially dedicated for Lord Shiva. This tree is found especially in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Asia continent. No other countries find this tree. This tree is very useful for worship in Indian cultures and Buddhism. It's a lovely fruits of Bael, kids fruits of Bael. So guys, I hope you enjoying with this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share. Thank you.